Another feature of your dashboard is your secure vault. This is a highly secure and encrypted file volume that can only be accessed by you and your estate planner until you pass away, and then your legacy managers will also be able to access. Now, to use this feature, click the Secure Vault link in the left nav bar. From here, you'll see a familiar looking file manager with various directories pre-created for you to use. Now, to upload a file here, you simply double-click the directory that you want to upload it to. For example, I'll select the miscellaneous directory, and then you can simply drag and drop items onto the screen there, which will automatically upload, verify, and encrypt those items. Now, if you want to create a new directory, you can do that by clicking this little icon here that says New Folder. And type in your directory name, and you can see we've now created a new directory. Now, this is a fully featured file manager. So for example, if you want to now delete that file that you've uploaded, you can click this X icon, which will permanently delete that file. And there are other icons here that you can use which will allow you to delete files, rename them, move them, or preview them, and take all the normal actions you'd want to. Now remember, this is the safest way to transfer files between yourself and your estate planner and to save them for long-term storage to your beneficiaries or your legacy managers.